my god, oh 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 my god. My god, my god! Ah, it's incredible!
Starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier.
Oh, you tripping, Samsung, you tripping. Ain't nobody gonna pay no $2,000 for that thing. What are you, crazy? I mean, I thought I wanted it, and it's cool, but it ain't $2,000 cool. And I'll tell you why right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. Earlier today, Samsung announced the Galaxy Fold along with the S10 line of phones. And let me tell you something, I got really excited. I was on a live stream with my friend Leron. You can actually check out his channel in the description below. But let me just tell you this. I was super excited as they were unfolding this phone. And I'll be honest, I was very surprised because at first, didn't care anything about a folding phone, wasn't even interested. But I'm a sucker for good marketing and man, I got hyped. Woo, that thing looked cool. And listen, there's a couple reasons why I think it is the coolest phone of 2019 that literally no one's going to buy. Let's talk about some of the cool things about it. Now, first of all, Samsung's trying to do something different here. They're actually trying to push the limits of what phones are. As I've talked about before on this channel, smartphones are kind of the thing that you don't have to upgrade anymore. It's not something you have to do every single year. It used to be that your performance over a year would get so bad that you just had to upgrade your phone. But as evidenced by my comments, there are people holding on to phones 3, 4, and 5 years before they upgrade. And that's because the technology is so good that really, what's the point for most people? And I'm not talking about the people who love to upgrade every single year, the people who go to YouTube to watch videos about phones. I'm talking about the average consumer. So Samsung's trying to shake it up and do something different. And the foldable phone is it. And this thing is really cool. When you flex it out, it's basically a 7-inch mini tablet, which I love. I don't really love the front face that it's only 4 inches, a little bit over 4 inches for the top screen, but it is kind of cool to basically be able to fold your tablet and put it away. I mean, I like the concept. And not everyone's gonna agree with me on this, but I actually am pretty excited about the technology. Now, here's the thing. They are trying to solve a problem that no one has. Like, no one has this problem. They've taken a phone and made it into a tablet foldable, which is great. I mean, it fits in your pocket and that's great, but how many times have you taken out your phone, looked at it and gone, man, I wish it was a lot bigger. I wish it could unfold it. 0 times. That's how many times you've done that. But I think the concept over time will be something that we'll get used to. Think about this. When the Galaxy Note first came out, people were laughing at Samsung, saying it was too big. At that time, phones were trying to get smaller, not bigger. Samsung bucked that trend and came out with a much larger phone and said this is gonna be the new type of phone that everyone's gonna want. And now their phone's even bigger than the original Note now, and it's pretty common. Listen, I can educate you about this all day long, but let me give you an opportunity to learn something that you can use to maybe get you a better paying job, and then maybe you can get a Galaxy Fold. It's very likely you're in a job that you don't like, but you don't really have a way of getting out of it because you need special skills to get out of it. Because you know, special skills rule. Enter Skillshare, a site with over 22,000 classes that can teach you the skills you need to maybe get a better job and stop lollygagging at Burger King. What if you could learn these skills anywhere in the world as long as you had your phone? Well, you can now with Skillshare. All you have to do is go to the site, sign up using the link below, and choose your courses. It even asks you what your interests are first. Then you can select the courses, sit back, relax, and learn something cool. For example, right here, I learned more about how to use my DSLR for filmmaking. And it's not just stuff for your work. What if you just need to know how to cook something cool? They got that covered too. Use the link in the description below and you get Skillshare for 2 months for free. You heard that right, absolutely free. So make sure to check out the link below, check out Skillshare, Get some skills and stop watching them darn cat videos. Thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, so make sure to hit the link in the description below and tell them I sent you. Actually, I don't know that you can tell them that I sent you. Just click the link. So this product is cool and kind of terrible. I mean, like, who's actually going to buy this? Who's going to plunk down $2,000, which, by the way, is more than the mortgage for my house for 1 month, on a phone? Who's going to do that? I mean, I guess people with completely endless amounts of money will do that, but that ain't me. And what do you gain? One of the things that they really didn't go into is the camera setup on it. Like, is the camera any good? It's got some pretty cool technology. It's got a tremendous amount of RAM, and it's almost like they're trying to make it this portable compute in a way. But with everything we saw on the S10, which definitely is a portable computer, you don't really need the Fold yet. It feels like a concept that's being cooked, and they took it out of the oven a little early. I actually believe that the Fold concept might go somewhere in a couple of years. The first Note was fine. It worked for the people who were willing to jump on that boat, and it eventually got into where we are now with the Note 9 and what will be the Note 10. Amazing phones, really the best Samsung has to offer every single year. The Fold is not yet, because it's the first one. We can expect better things from them if they continue down this path. But here's the problem. Are they going to invest knowing that they won't sell a lot of these and then put more money into R&D to make it even better every single year? So it seems to me they're trying to come out with a completely new type of product. Like, it's not just a phone, it's not just a tablet, it's kind of both, but it's kind of neither. And here's the thing. It's the first generation of the product, and it's incredibly expensive. So you're not going to buy it. Based on DJ Ko's comments during the Samsung event, you would think yes. He kept talking about how everyone thought things were done in the smartphone game and nothing new can be done. Well, this is something. Now, they weren't the first company to come out with a folding phone, but they might have done it the best. I actually like the form factor, but I guess you're not gonna get a case on it. And I see some of you out there, you drop your phones. You drop that thing, it's a wrap on both sides of the phone. So you're probably not getting wireless charging. I mean, that's a guess. I highly doubt it's waterproof in any significant way, and it's definitely fragile. And I don't know, it's too early to actually go out and buy one of these. Maybe in 3 or 4 years, this will be the thing. Everyone will get a Galaxy Fold, but right now, it's way too early. So look, if you buy one of these, let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite thing about it? I mean, you're definitely gonna be one of the only people on the block that has one, so if you like that, then you definitely gonna be the only one. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week, having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love. Fold it.